Hey everyone, my name is Dipali. Welcome to Flavors and Fragrance. Today in my kitchen I'm making crispy green split moong dal vadas for breakfast. Along with this I'll be making a green chutney accompanying it. This is a very good breakfast item and very easy to make. I have soaked this green split moong dal overnight and now I am going to grind it to a paste. Now before grinding to a paste, you have to wash this dal through all the excess water and make sure that it is very clean. So wash 3-4 times and now your split green moong dal will look like this. And now this we are going to grind it in the mixer grinder. Along with this we are going to put 2 to 3 green chillies, an inch of ginger, half tablespoon of jeera, salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and with little water we are going to grind it to a smooth or coarse paste. Now before grinding to a, this is how my mixture looks. Okay, I have not grounded it to a smooth paste. I have kept it a little bit coarse. The tip over here is that in order to make your vadas very crispy, I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. This is going to make my vadas crispy. And now on this mixture I am going to put 2 chopped onions also, because onion gives very good taste. 2 to 3 chopped onions. You can put onions as per your taste and your like, and mix them well. And now we are not going to deep fry them. Traditionally these are deep fried in oil, but we are going to semi fry it. I will show you what I'm going to do next. The taste of these vadas are exactly the same as you deep fry them. So if you're conscious about eating less oil, you can go for the variation that I'm going to do. Otherwise, if you want it the traditional way, you can deep fry it in kadai. So I'm going to make my vadas in this pan, and this will require less oil. I've put some oil. I am going to put my batter mixture like this. So they are going to be semi fried. If you don't have this kind of a pan, you can just deep fry them in a kadai. The taste will be the same. So like this I am going to now fry these vadas till they are light golden brown on slow flame. Turn it over and cook it till it is light golden brown crispy. For that I am going to take 1 cup of coriander, washed and chopped nicely. To this I am going to add 2 green chillies. Green chillies you can add as per your wish, how much spicy you want. And to this I am going to add a handful of this chana. I am not going to put coconut because I don't want coconut chutney. I am going to put a little bit of salt, and instead of water I am going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This is a very different chutney. And with this I am also going to put ½ inch of ginger. Now all this I am going to grind it to a paste without adding any water. Cooking on the side, and now I'm going to turn them. See how nicely they are getting light golden brown. My gas is still on low only, and this is how I'm going to turn each and every vada until they are cooked light golden brown on both the sides. Now see, my chutney is ready and it's like this in consistency. I have tasted it. It's very nice, yummy and spicy. So the green chili is something which you have to adjust as per your taste, how much spicy you want. So this is a chutney that I normally serve along with my crispy green moong dal vadas. This is how the vadas are going to look, and see how they are. And you can see that they look very, very crunchy. In fact, I'll just break and show you one. It's very hot. See, this is how they are, nice and crunchy.